Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Ashaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is, runner from the Jakarta who was lost on the Mount Arjuno found safe. Yurbianto, 46 years old, a participant in Mantra Summit Challenge 2022 cross-country race, was found safe and slow on the Mount Arjuno on the Thursday, 5 July 2022 at the night. Yurbianto's evacuation process from the Mount Arjuno went smoothly. He was found by the Smithling Hamlet, Turmoyo Village, Singosari District, Malang Regency. Yurbianto was found in area Rue de Budungasu. Services were evacuated immediately after being found and new receiving treatment. Singosari Valley Police Commissioner Ahmad Robil said the evacuation process from the coordinate where Yurbis was found Baduk also took more than 4 hours. At around 3 a.m., the search team continued to evacuate from the Badung Asu. The board border from the artificial stimulus injury center. Then at around 3 a.m., the 3 survived team reached and the border post artificial imaging center. The fight team was transferred from the ambulance and taken to the Pihala Hospital Singosari. Meanwhile, the head of the operation of the National Search and Relief Agency is the Java Haris Supradi. He explained that the FX team was found in a weak condition. All through the week, the climber from the North Jakarta is labeled to the wall. Haris confirmed the survivor, family leader Yurbianto's father and Prima Husada, Hospital Singosari. The next news is, police reveal immediately message that triggered the murder. Police arrest the killer of the woman's cruise from the floating in the Krukut River, Jagakarsa, South Jakarta, with the initial IM. It is known the IM's killer is the Ambon girlfriend with the initial VR alias P. Police Chief the Depok Metro Resort Police Commissioner Imran Edwin Siregar said the trigger for the perpetrators to kill the Ambon girlfriend was a jealousy. Imran explained the initially perpetrators at fight team got into argument because the image showed a message another man to the fight team called porn. Annoyed by reading the message, the perpetrators asked the fight team contact another man. However, not long after being picked up, the man immediately turned the porn. The fight team had to the edge of the river in the Depok area, West Java. There, the perpetrators carried out the action to kill the fight team. Furthermore, after the fight team died, the perpetrators carried him immediately threat the fight team into the river until he was found in the Jagakarsa area, South Jakarta. Now, the perpetrators has been arrested after escaping at the Domfeiti motorbike the Krubis area, Central Java for his action. The perpetrators was crime with Article 338 and the Criminal Code murder and 340 the Criminal Code on premeditated murder with a life sentence. Approved over the discovery of the cruise in the Krukut River, Jagakarsa resident area Krukut River in Jagakarsa, South Jakarta, was shocked by the discovery of the body of an undefeated woman on the Thursday. The head of the Jagakarsa Police Commissioner Wahid K. explained the discovery of the body occurred this morning. While this body did not find any sexual violence from the victim body. However, the body will still autopsy at the Fatmawati Central General Hospital. The next news is heavy rains pour in the Ambon. The Ambon City Regional Disaster Management Agency told the Center of the Disaster Management Operation Control that the 16.6 Ambon experiencing disaster. 14.4 spread over the 3 sub-districts in Ambon City, namely Seri Mau Bangula in the Teluk Ambon Bangua. The report was released in the disaster report of the Ambon City Regional Disaster Management Agency. Due to heavy rains until Tuesday, 5 July 2022 afternoon. According to the report, flood occurred at the H point, land lease occurred at 5 point, and the 3 trees fell. For the flooding due to the overflow, the work select in the Kampung River in the 101 area that the causing 6 houses to be submerged in the water. Meanwhile, the landslide disaster hit the family Waipu Sepi Kasu, it occurs Batu Meja Wahyu family, Mat Wabu family, and Kusnadi family, all 3 having the address at the Mantalu village. He passed the Ambon City Disaster Management Operations Control Center has a conditional that the distribute of the forest disaster community, W3100 on family affected by the flood, 11 attracted by the land lease. The next news is online gambling addiction. 2 young steal 53 water machines. Illegally due to online gambling addiction, 2 young adults stole a total of 53 units of the water machine in the 2 area Jordan, 23 years old, and Jordi Arian, 21 years old. The one resident of the Veteran Street Partilang Village, Pangkal Pinang City, Bangka Belitung Island Province. Ardi and Jordi were present at the press conference that the Pangkal Pinang Police on the Thursday, 7 July 2022. Wearing orange clothes, with the prisoner inspection and the handcuff, what a numbly only greeted their reaction stealing 53 water machines in the different locations. Ardi and Jordi were arrested while trading a machine in the Thursday at around 70 in the Mardari District, Pangkal Palam District, Pangkal Pinang City. The Pangkal Pinang Police Chief Adjutant Senior Commissioner and Police Dwi Budiono relieved the relation that the water machine to be stolen. Both of the were determined due to illegal because the peers admired the only gambling. This water machine is very needed to the community, since after that it must be easy to be sold, easy to sell. Selling the water machine is considered easier by the people that is compared to be airborne, carries the heavy box motorized bicycle, which is also the rear wheel of the first grade and the certificate. Privatizers can be easy. Sell a water machine without the need for the certificate. Privatizers can be also the water machine which prices anything from the 150,000 to 550,000. In addition, the stolen goods can be stolen easy from the social media on cash delivery to the delivery good country delivered by your house. Escapably, which is praises travel gladly people with the tears badly. The 2 privatizers tend to be used from the unit sale of the 53 units or the water machine from the online gambling. The next news is Rifai, the body boy who was lost in the sea, found. The body of the Rifai Hussein, 18 years old, a resident of the Giringan Bawah village, Giringan Sub-District, Bitung City, North Sulawesi Province, was finally found on the Thursday, 8 July 2022, almost midnight. Rifai Hussein disappeared after drying on the Waguer beach. Previously, that PT gas spindle LPG gas briefly chartly last Monday afternoon. A combination of the resident and search and rescue team potentially found his body on the work beach around 12 p.m. According to the search, the fight team was found in the radius about 100 meters to the search post. The information also strengthened by the statement that the soldier joined and the fight team further in the entrepreneurial home. Until the week summaries, Rifai was reportedly battered by family development police forces search and missing person between North Sulawesi Province and Thursday. The processing of the search for the missing person in the city Bitung, North Sulawesi Province. The search was created by the search and rescue potential, starting from the Manado Basares and the Bitung City Regional Disaster Management Agency, Bitung Base Riscom and the community, family, and the fight team. Ipai, as a Khaled, desperate that the jump through sea pickup with the finishing tallest bridge and finishing on the PT gas window village LPG, gas plane bridge and Bitung City on the Monday afternoon. The next news is YASMIN'S laundry KIOS in the JAMBI city covers under fire. YASMIN laundry KIOS in the Simpang Kawat JAMBI city, recently in the Phone JAMBI City Center, GCC Mall and Thursday. Monitoring at the location, 3 alleged 6 units from the leak transmitted a fire. Until now, the JAMBI City Fire Department is still the location for the cooling. JAMBI City Fire Secretary Maktab confirmed that the incident currently is partly the process of the cooling fire. He also admitted that the suspect to be being caused by the electric short circuit, the where facilitates the incident. At the time, the incident, the owner and sedan stall was outside and managed to save some and equipment. And the last news is Karawaci Tangerang area was confirmed by the with smoke for the 30 minutes. Viral and social media video showing the white smoke covering on the Gatot Subroto Street, Cimung, Karawaci, Tangerang City on the Wednesday. Even the thick smoke blocked the driver visibility caused the traffic jams. Motorcycle and car was looking confused by the incident. The Karawaci Police Chief Police Commissioner Holuson Situmorang said, "The trick with the smoke camp, the CEO carbon dioxide center belonged to be the suburb complete the PTKS Hosolon and with smoke incident occurred 7 AM at the time, and the employer that the gate is initial opened to be Java. It is suspect that 3 was a napping from the employer that the carbon dioxide spread the street. The cover pad is visible. The waste discovered when the police suspend this crime scan. The incident caught the attention of the location resident. Even the flow of the traffic delegation was hampered. But there is where smoke was the terrified and disappeared by himself. Traffic by the fall turned to normal within 30 minutes. Well, I think that's the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.